Hello, welcome to another video with the Artistic Per. Today we'll be doing a tutorial on Procreate, and today I'll be showing you how to draw Pusheen. And I am just using a paper-sized canvas and my Apple pencil to draw in the basic shape of Pusheen, which is just a large oval shape and two triangles, and I just draw two circles for the eyes, and now I'm just drawing in the mouth, and just align the screen with my two fingers and drag and drop the color from the color wheel that you can see here. And now I'm just drawing in some whiskers. And now I'm just grabbing the again, and I'm just drawing in his feet, which are just two half ovals. And now I am just drawing in his tail with the little lines for the pattern. Now I'm just doing two ovals for his pattern on his fur. Again at the top of the head. And just fixing up his ear here. Now I'm selecting another color, and this is the color for his fur. And I'm just going to draw an outline so I can drag and drop the color. And once I've done this outline, I'm going to grab my color from the palette and just drag and drop so that it fills it in. Now I'm just dragging and dropping the color for the pattern on his fur. Also coloring in with the pencil. I'm just going to use a pink for the mouth. And then we're going to go ahead and draw in a simple background. So I'm just creating a new layer by using the plus sign, and then I'm dragging and dropped it so that's behind my other layers. Now I'm just drawing a little love heart, and I'm using my monoline brush and a pink color, and just drag and drop, and there you have your background. And just try again. And I'm going to create another layer so I can have another color behind the heart, and I'm just using a light blue. And there you have it. That's basically how you use Pusheen and Procreate. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. I'm just going to go ahead and fix up some mistakes here. And I hope that you will subscribe to this channel if you like art tutorials. I am currently working on a watercolor series and a Procreate series. So if art is your thing, especially painting and drawing, then please hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the bell notification button so that you are notified of all my videos. Please leave me a comment down below, let me know what you would like to see next. And don't forget to hit the like button as that really helps me out. And I shall see you next time. Bye bye now.